Hi guys. Until now, skating gear supports were available only in the United States. But that has officially changed. Skating gear has landed on Connect Marketplace, which means now everybody in EU can ride a wave. So if you have been dreaming about gliding across the water like a summer ninja, your moment has arrived. Surf over to www.skatinggear.eu.com and snag yours before your neighbor does. First things first, Skating Gear did not come here to play the games. This box is tight, sealed like it's guarding state secrets, and let's just say it's not the lightest thing I ever had pleasure of unboxing. Is there a gold inside? I doubt it. Enlightenment? Preferably. A shiny new support? Hopefully. Enough suspense, let's grab something sharp and perform some light cardboard surgery. Here it is, in all its glory, the Skating Gear Leafy Expedition. Slick, bold, seriously looking sharp. The colors are popping, inviting, practically yelling, let's make some waves. But here is the twist. The average human might not survive more than 30 seconds upright. Still, legends are not born overnight, so wobble with pride, ignore the lifeguard's concerned side-eye, and embrace the art of falling fabulously. Paddle power, my friends, comes with practice and a few spectacular splashes along the way. Oh yes, the pump, also known as my unexpected gym membership. Who needs the arm day when you got this bad boy? By the time the board is inflated, so are you, with pride. Nothing says serenity on the water like surviving a mini workout just to get there. But to be fair, the pump's no joke. It's solid, powerful, and built like it means business. None of that flimsy plastic nonsense. This thing feels like it could survive an apocalypse. So go ahead, give it some muscle, don't be shy. A little pumping practice never hurt anyone, except maybe your shoulders. Okay guys, fun fact, inflating this baby is a full body workout. So technically, you don't need gym anymore. What you need is more of these supports. So what I like about this board also is this diamond-shaped rubber pattern that actually helps you from slipping, even though it's not gonna help you too much at the beginning. The board has 15 of those little buckles where you can attach your gear, and it's also equipped with a handle in the middle and on the front and back. In the package, you will also find the leash, a magical cord that says, "You and me, buddy, forever." It's like being handcuffed to a floating cartoon character who refuses to leave you no matter how many times you fall off. Slip, splash, scream, it's still there. Wagging his little invisible tail like, "You good? You wanna try that again?" Honestly, it's less of a leash and more of a lifeline with attachment issues. In the package, you will also find the fin. Clip in the fin, and you will suddenly go from chaos to a captain of chill. One click and boom, less spin, more zen, and your board stopped freelancing as a carousel. In the package, you will also find the waterproof bag, a VIP lounge for your phone on the water, because your phone loves the selfies, but not the swimming lessons. Stash your snacks, towels, and everything in between. This 10-liter dry bag keeps it all dry, safe, and ready for adventure, because the saga chips are the worst. Then we have a paddle. It's not a magic wand, but it makes water move out of your way. Think of it as a steering wheel for your support. Stylish, smooth, and your best buddy on the water. They come in certain combinations, so you can actually use it as a single paddle, where you attach just this handle, click, and that's it. So you can paddle just one side, or you can remove this part, add another side. Here we go. So, and again, click, and we have a double paddle. So don't lose that, because we're gonna have to watch another episode of Lost. This 100-liter giant takes it all. Your soup board, all of your gear, even your snacks, and it keeps them all protected. Easy to carry and comfy if you combine it with his shoulder strap. And that, my friends, is Skating Gear Starter Pack. Board, fin, leash, pump, dry bags, paddles, transport bag, and the tiny superhero known as the repair kit. Basically everything you need to make the waves and preferably survive them. Don't worry, you'll bring that balance eventually. But now, let's take this beauty to the water. Next up, we huff, we puff, and we pump this bad boy up. Then, straight to the water for a test run. That's why, follow along, hit subscribe, more Splashy Chaos is on the way.